I am the one who watches the birds. This is my place. I stand and I watch, and the birds watch back. I have lost track of time. Days and months mean little to me anymore. All I know is the fall of the sun and the rise of the moon. Then I rest. Then I return. Sometimes I think I see others in the distance, but my eyes deceive me. I am alone. Alone with the birds. I used to be like you. I had a home, friends, family. This was before I watched the birds.
Bunch of birds.
But someone had to do it. And who was I to deny such a post? Sometimes it wears on me. I think perhaps my time is up. That my time watching the birds is over. But if I were to stop watching, they would be free to follow their bliss. They may be benevolent, leave us in peace, but they mightn't be so kind. I have seen what they can do. I never want to see it again. So I stand here, every day, every hour, waiting, watching, making sure they remember what is beyond their island. I am so afraid they will forget.